Hello guys and welcome back to another analysis video. In this video we're going to see how Bank Nifty and Nifty are likely going to perform for tomorrow. So in order to know whether both these indices, whether the market for tomorrow is going to go in an uptrend or in a downtrend, if not both, it can also go in a sideways direction. So to know this, what it's like for both Bank Nifty and Nifty tomorrow, we need to dig deeper into the daily charts, and that's what we have here. This is a Bank Nifty chart. Let's start with the Nifty chart. So here we have the Nifty chart on our daily time frame. So before continuing further, I request you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel or new to our channel, because this is the channel where we do market analysis every day based on post market price action. So here we have the Nifty on our daily time frame, and as you can see, Nifty right here is at the all-time highs, and this happens to be the resistance area. And from the last 3 days we can see that there is certain amount of indecision in the market. We can see that by these spinning top candles right there. These set of candles are telling that the market is in an indecisive stage. And also in isolation, if you see these two candles together, they are they are having close to very they're having similar closes uh, at, at at this similar level. They're 70% matching the candlestick pattern called counter attack pattern, which is a reversal sign. And from there, we have seen a couple of spinning top candles, which says that the market is indecisive. And in today's price action, in spite of Nifty opening up with a huge gap up situation, it has failed to remain in that aggressive position. It has failed to give us a positive close from the opening, and hence here we are seeing this negative candle. So what's tomorrow like based on this candlesticks patterns? First of all, there is nothing that's saying that it's going to be positive, even though the major trend of the Nifty is positive. The major trend of the Nifty is positive because you can see the price action right from there. We have a high, we have a higher low, higher high, with this high getting broke, and higher low, and if not higher high, at least at the same situation, and then a higher low situation, and then we have seen a breakout from there. And do not consider this candle, because that's an abnormal candle based on the election results across the nation. So again, we have a situation where we have a higher high kind of scenario there, and we have seen a close above this high. So on a major trend, we are still towards the upper side, and the Nifty is going towards the upper side on a major trend. But that doesn't but based on the last few days candles, especially these four candles, we cannot say that the Nifty is positive. And today's candle, especially adding to these three candles, we cannot say that this is a positive situation in the market, in spite of a gap up opening right there. But then again, we cannot say that this is negative as well, but it's because we are seeing close in that situation. We need to see a close under this level in order to believe that the market is going to correct a bit. But even in that situation, this whole area is going to act as a minor support area for the Nifty. That's because of this swing reaction that is coming from the left. So I hope you have understood this level and also this level, and based on these, you should be trading tomorrow. So you should also create your own swing highs and lows with marking them as a proper resistance and reversal support areas. And at these levels, if you find any candlestick patterns, you should trade accordingly. But nothing alarming is looking in the Nifty, which is saying either it is bullish or bearish. It is struggling to come out of this location, this area, either towards the upper side or towards the downside. Look, it's trying all its in all possibilities by opening gap up situations, but it has failed to see any green candle. If this is a green candle that is getting closed above this, then that could have been a small hope towards the upper side, but that's not the case in the Nifty so far. So I hope you understood this so far. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button to not to miss such videos every day on the markets, which will give you an extra edge to be on a profit side if you understand the whole scenario of the market, and if you have an idea behind like what's the market is really doing in the recent times based on the price action. So let's now change our chart to the bank nifty, and let's see what bank nifty is like. So even in the bank nifty chart, we have not seen a green candle, but the immediate difference that we can notice from nifty is, see, that is nifty's price chart, and this is bank nifty's price chart. The immediate difference is prices are not at the all-time high levels here in the bank nifty. In fact, they are here at the bank nifty. So that's one immediate difference that we can see, whereas nifty is trying its hard as much as it can to get a close above the all-time highs, whereas bank nifty, it is still almost 1,000 points behind the all-time highs. So here we have the negative candle in the bank nifty again, and we have this area derived that's coming from these two swing reactions on the left. One is this and the other one is that. We have this area marked based on this wick level right there. And what you can also see here is it adds this candle adds more bearishness to the bank nifty. That's because if you notice these two candles put together, these two candles are telling us that it is a bearish engulfing pattern, which is a strong reversal sign. But in spite of saying this bearish reversal sign, we cannot go aggressively bearish in the bank nifty. That's because we are yet to see the close coming out of this area, this level, which is not the case here. So you should keep that in mind while trading. So in the nifty, we have nifty struggling at all-time high, so it's struggling to see a close, a positive close. It's struggling to also see a strong close towards the downside. So it's a little indecisive there. But in the bank nifty, it's very strongly saying that it is bearish. But the only thing is, the problem is with the closing levels. It's not closing is not so satisfying because that is still in this area. So you need to let the market bank nifty come below this area. But for any reason, if you want to go towards the positive side of the bank nifty, that should happen only after seeing a close above this level. So that's the situation. And for any reason, if it started falling very rapidly, we know where will be the next support area. This rising line is going to act as a support for the bank nifty, and also this level is definitely going to act as this level is definitely also going to act as a support for the bank nifty. So that's the situation in both nifty and bank nifty. For most of the updates, please do subscribe and see you in our next video. Until then, happy trading. Thank you.